I am on my way to DrupalCon Atlanta.
Reynolds walking around doing some cool content creation, and that's why we're so darn excited about these guest presenters that we have over here.
And I'm curious, for those 60 plus content types in the Drupal 7 ecosystem, were the staff members relieved to have those consolidated?
You can build a tool, but if nobody's using it, it's really useless.
And it seems like there is an ongoing healthy relationship here. What makes that tick? What makes it work?
So what Pantheon allows us to do is allows the central team to kind of work on the code, push it out to the experts, and then having people at the edge be the ones who decide whether or not that content is valid. This has always kind of been the dream, is to allow people to have their own individual sites and kind of make them all happen, and now we have that tooling.
I would say of all the sites we worked on, this is the one that is maybe truest to how Pantheon can deploy code out in an efficient way.
So a recipe is a way to put together pre-built configuration based on opinionated implementation of Drupal modules. For the SEO recipe, we didn't build new modules. We didn't build new functionality. We took existing functionality, we configured it, and applied it to a site.
Pantheon does have a New Relic instance available to you. I'm also going to be getting data involved in here. Who has been overwhelmed by this interface?
I'll say I have been overwhelmed, and almost every time I go over to the New Relic corner of the dashboard, I get more overwhelmed than the time before. So
today, I'm very proud to say that we delivered 8 months after we launched. I was talking to Matt Allen from WordPress, and he really loves the recipe concept. And he said, I wish WordPress had loved the recipes.
Drupal was created in 2001, WordPress in 2003. Pantheon has run both since 2014. What has your perception been as you've come to DrupalCon for the first time?
One of the first things that I saw when I got my badge, there's a sticker over there that says, "Come for the code, stay for the community." And I was not aware of this mantra as being a Drupal specific thing. That is literally the thing that has kept me in the WordPress ecosystem for 20 years. We are more similar than we are different. Drupal has an opportunity to steal back a lot of the customers or users that were using WordPress. And part of the reason why I say that is because of this. Because Matt Mullenweg recently said that they're going to be slowing down WordPress development to only one release per year. In the meantime, if we're getting Drupal CMS 2.0 in October, and we're getting Experience Builder with Drupal CMS 2.0, there's a really big opportunity for Drupal to really come back and make a resurgence, because there's going to be less innovation happening in WordPress core. So my merge request has been marked as reviewed by the community, which basically means it's ready to be committed, and it's been looked at by a couple different people. Successful contributor day.
Yeah, I just want to say thanks everyone for turning up, and try and keep that ball rolling. Try and keep that momentum going. That's one of the reasons why we have you commenting on the issues. When the issue gets updated, you will get notified about that. You'll know that the issue has been updated, it's moved along. Feel free to just keep that ball rolling, and thank you everybody so much for being here.